Hey guys, a couple of days ago it was a launch of the most recent AI model to create videos completely for free and believably. And this platform is Maggie. It's a from Sand AI application that you can access here on Hugging Face. As you see here in this home page of Maggie model, here you can find different information data about this amazing model to create beautiful videos using AI by converting text or image to unbelievable video. And for sure, it's completely for free. So now how we can access this amazing website, Maggie. Here you can head over to this one. Either you can click over this home page or Sand AI or the Maggie. So I just can click over this one home page and you will be to this platform sand.ai that introduces Maggie-1. So you can click over this one, create with a Maggie, and you will be taken to this amazing website where you're required to sign up for free using Gmail, Discord, or even your email. So I will try this one, sign up from this option and insert your credentials. And the best part here, you can try even with temporary emails, like for temp emails, for email on deck and the like. Then you would land on the dashboard here on maggie.sand.ai. And at first glance here you can find different options here in this page. First of all, this one here in its free plan, you have 500 credits to create your videos by converting your image to amazing videos. And here you can find this assets that includes uploaded images from your device, generated ones, generated videos, okay, and favorites or featured ones. And here in this tab you can find this projects you are working in or you have done successfully. So here for sure it's the first time here we can use Maggie.sand. So we will create a new project from this option. Click over it. Then you have two options. Either you can click here to upload your file or image from your device, or if you have a former one, you can get them from the assets section. So I just click over this one to upload an image from my device. And here you can find this image I just created here by any of AI image generators like Midjourney, Reeve, Ideogram, and so on. And for sure you can find this amazing scenery of this amazing imagery to create my CG video to promote a croissant or something like that. And for sure I just talked about an amazing video how we can make my online using CGI videos professionally. You can find this video down below in the description box as the first comment. Okay, perfect. These croissants are floating and swim on the river of chocolate in Egypt. It could be Giza, Cairo, and so on, as you observe. So now, how you can turn this image to a beautiful video clip using Maggie.sand. Here you can find this plus icon, click over this one. Then you would find a window would pop up that gives you the potential to insert here your prompt or description to convert your image to video. And here you can set your duration time. It could be 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on. Variations or the number of results from this process. And here you can check this enhanced prompt and high quality one. Okay, so I just make it 5 seconds, for example. Okay, and insert this prompt to make an animation into a video. So here just one of these croissants are floating smoothly on this river of chocolate, and the taxi also move forward. So these croissants are moving smoothly and slowly. Okay, and taxi moves forward. Perfect. And here this process would cost you 50 credits from your entire free plan credits. So click over this button, and just in few seconds here this amazing website would convert this image to a video clip with your description and this animation. And the result is amazing. As you see, these croissant pieces are moving slowly as I described it in this prompt, and these taxi as well. perfect imagery. So here you can find, actually you can open up this video, and then you can find this enhanced prompt. It's an amazing one to make the best of your description or your basic description. And here you can find up there this option to download this video to your device as you observe, or you can actually expand this window to watch this video clearly as you see. Amazing, isn't it? Perfect. Now I can close this video, and here you can find as well a new plus icon in the right side of this video clip. So if we click over this one again, here you can find this new window that says video extension. That means you can make an extension or expansion of this video clip to be longer or to show off a different aspect of this video and so on. So for sure here you can make a focus on a specific detail in this video clip, like you can zoom in croissant. You can actually change this camera control to show the buildings here, to show some people are eating this croissant and so on. So for example, I just wanna zoom in one of these floating croissants, so I can like zoom in to one of these croissants. Okay, and we can keep it 3 seconds, variations 1. Okay, and generate. That would cost you 30 credits this time. As you see, this zoom in to these croissants as you observe. Okay, so you can gather all these elements together to make your own video as a extension to your first clip. And as well, here you can download this video directly to your device. So that way you can create your own video from images by using Maggie.send. And by the way, here you can go to pack, for example, and here you can find in this project this new one. And if you open this one new project, so we can try another one, like just you can drop here an image like this warrior cat. Okay, and we can make it like in a war and moving forward, just with moving this spear. So I can click over this plus icon again, and here you can insert this moving forward in a war, for example. Okay, and make it 5 seconds, for example, and generate your new video. As you see, amazing one with details, this to create your CGI videos, animated story and so on for kids and adults and the like. So that way you can try Maggie for free to create your videos and convert your image to video completely for free. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.